Okay, good morning. Welcome to
MathIdeas91.
91. Today we have a crazy addition problem. Are you ready for it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we have to compute 91 plus 91 plus 91 plus 91 plus 91 plus 31. Whoa. Do you think we should just add all those numbers up, or do you think there's something we should notice that would make this a lot easier?
I think there's something we should notice.
Yeah, there is something we should notice. I think, first of all, do you know how many 91s there are there?
20 91s.
Wow, how'd you figure that out so fast?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 91s in each row.
Oh, good job, sweetie. Thought that was going to take a little bit longer, but you're right. There's 20 91s. So the first thing we have to think about is this whole sum equals 20 times 91. Do we know how to do 20? Do you know how to multiply things by 20?
No.
No? But that's alright. I don't think there's any really good rule for multiplying by 20, but there is a good rule for multiplying by another number that's kind of similar to 20. You know what number that is?
10.
10. That's right. So why don't we make sure we understand the rule for multiplying by 10, and then we'll see if we can come up with a rule for multiplying by 20. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so what does 1 times 10 equal? 1 times 10 is?
10.
Good job. 2 times 10. So when I take 1 and I multiply by 10, I get 10. When I take 2 and I multiply by 10, I get?
20.
20. When I take 3 and I multiply by 10, I get?
30.
30. So 1 turns into 10, 2 turns into 20, and 3 turns into 30. What does 4 turn into when you multiply by 10?
40.
40. How about 5?
50.
50.
And
How about 6?
And 60.
60. Do you see a pattern? Do you see what you do when how do you take a number and then figure out what it turns into when you multiply by 10?
It's 10 of them.
You get 10 of them, and the way you write that is you just add a 0 at the end of the number. So 1, just add a 0. 2, just add a 0. 3, just add a 0. 4, just add a
0.
And that's a kind of a neat pattern, so it actually becomes pretty easy to compute 15 times 10. We just add a 0 to 15 and we get?
Okay. 150.
What do you think 25 times 10 is?
250.
250. Good job. What do you think 953 times 10 is? Whoa!
Whoa.
What do we do to the number when we multiply it by 10?
We add a 0.
So let's just add a 0.
9.
What number is that?
9,530.
Nice. Whoa, you just learned how you multiply 953 by 10. Whoa.
Wow.
Wow, okay, but now we have to multiply by 20. But multiplying by 20 is a lot like multiplying by 10, because we can say that 20 times 91 is the same as 2 times 10, because 2 times 10 is 20, right?
Mm-hmm.
Times 91. Now we have a 10 times 91. We know what that is. This is the same as 2 times... What is 10 times 91?
10 sets of 91. Wow.
Wow, what is that? What do you do when you multiply a number by 10?
You add a 0.
So 10 times 91 is?
910.
Yes! Yes! 10 times 91 is 910. So now we just have to figure out what 2 times 910 is. Aww!
2 sets of 910.
That's right, it's just 2 sets of 910. So that's just 910 plus 910. Okay?
900 plus 900.
So we do 900 plus 900.
Is 1800.
1800, very good. And 10 plus 10 is?
20.
20. So 910 plus 910 is?
820.
1,820.
1,820.
There we go. So we had to add up 20 91s. And we figured out how to do it. It was the same as doing 2 times 10 times 91. And that was 1,820. Yes! High five! Great job! Whoa, we did a really, really tricky problem this morning.